This is Lady Bernice nursing her leg in bed.
Yes.
And you must be 105 years. How old are you?
I
am 78.
78.
Yes.
Okay, so you're having little knee trouble at the moment. And you are my father Baiju's niece. So my father was the only son. And
My mother. One pair of
yeah. So all the Badaloos come back to Baiju.
Your Uncle Baiju's sister married to Fimi father, which my father is Thomas.
Right. So
right?
that is how we connect with the Thomas.
That's right.
Right.
So Badalu no. Badalu my mother name.
Right.
And Baiju is Badalu. Because it's only two picnic them parents did have, you know. A Baiju, Darius. My mother didn't Darius, but they call him Bide. So that was only the two picnic them.
The amount of times I hear the word anti-bide and I didn't understand what it, you know.
Yes, well, Bide no, I did marry to my father. But my mother died and leave me and Selma a baby. So my mother died child's birth.
Right.
That a Bide. And after I died childbirth now, Uncle Baiju did take me away and take Selma. And my father said, he can't give away two picnic to my uncle. So him out take one and Uncle Baiju take one. Eventually Uncle Baiju take the fear one way favor me ma Bide. Selma favor me ma, you know. So I'm fear like a me mother. Hello? Yes, and me know a favor my father for me black and my father. So, but me go two sides. Me go with sister me and them, me go with Uncle Baiju, and me go with my pa. So I have two sides. But me remember me can't forget, you know. When Auntie baby get up a mountain and house soon him a pick rice in a bamboo soup and they cook. As they like pot up in the pan fire. Oh, that is. She's seen you know.
So this is your other sister.
She don't remember a lot of things.
And this is one of the grands and the grands. A grand of grands. So tell me, you know this land here that you live on?
Yes, it's government land.
So you capture it?
Yes, capture land.
How many years now you capture it?
30 years.
And how many years you have to capture it to own it?
Well, they soon sell it now, you know. So
but you capture it,
when
so...
you're ready to sell now, nobody else can come in and buy it unless me no want it.
You have the first option.
Yes, me get the first option for it.
But so you know the Indian people who came to work here, your parents or grandparents, they came in the long houses up there to live?
No.
In the barracks?
Barrack.
The barracks. Where did they live?
My grandparents.
Before you move into this
Blackness.
Blackness, okay.
Blackness, but me married. Uncle Baiju, my pa married me when me was 15 years.
Right.
He married me to an Indian man named Delian, Leonard Delian.
Oh, right, I know,
so
yeah, Uncle Leonard, yeah.
Fort William. So me did live at Fort William, and then me get 11 picnic, me get female, no. 6 dead and 5 alive.
Only one son, me know.
One son, I'm happy, me son.
Me know, only him alone, me know.
Okay.
Well, me have the last one, I last one.
You just know him.
So what Khaki Duli, yeah, what? But where did these people live? Where they live in the first time they give them?
When they come, down up Jamaican River.
Okay, in what kind of houses? What kind of?
It's a board house just like this.
Just a normal house.
Jealousy window, no glass.
Oh, no glass?
No glass, jealousy window.
Is that what?
Up in our shed. Jealousy window.
So this house now is just like our house before it.
Baiju was alive.
So this is how the design. This is the kind of architecture. So you have this kind of wooden door here, a flat wooden door, and the walls, the ceiling like that. And this is how the windows are. Louver windows, like made of glass.
We never have glass window. We had jealousy window.
Okay, the wood one.
The wood one.
And this is an upgrade.
Yes.
Okay. So you have the frosted one at the bottom.
Oh yes.
And the clear one at the top.
Yes.
Right. Little privacy-ish. And then You got this wooden floor here, which is now painted, right?
Yes.
But it's the same color like when they used to use polish
Yes.
with coconut brush.
Yes, I remember we tried that. It looked nice.
So it clean and nice.
A door like this. Yeah, but this was the style at the time.
Yes.
This is all like everybody's house was like.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
She want to know your real name.
Dada.
Dada, yes. I try to remember.